We blew a fuse! Shit! Yeah, we're back at it, boys. Got May over. Alright, mate, we're good.
Hey, you have to do my...
I don't need to talk to you. You're my audience today.
You guys can go in and sit in there. That's what we said, yeah. I'm serious. Give them what you guys building today?
Race cars.
Huh?
Thanks for checking.
Nothing.
Fixing a leak.
Oh, leak?
Exhaust.
Oh, no shit.
I came prepared with all his tools. Got the welder, we're welding shit today. We got this shit and that shit. So I ain't taking off an exhaust clamp. I'm gonna take a piece of the exhaust out. Then we're gonna weld it, I guess. So there's no exhaust clamp. We're taking that out just because the exhaust clamp just drags on everything. Man, he's all fancy, wearing nice clothes today.
What?
I'm telling him you're wearing nice clothes.
I'm wearing nice clothes.
Me and some sour cream and onion chips. These things are the best. There it goes, man. We've been cranking on it for now like a minute. And now it's coming.
His clamp is fucked. This thing's just laying with the shit.
Well, that's his exhaust clamp. It's a little broken. Doesn't look too bad, does it? Threads still look alright. Alright, so we got that out and this out. What do we gotta get out next?
I'm gonna take the pipe out and we gotta tap these threads again.
Sick. Alright, so those are drilled out and then we just have to tap them. And then we
Well, we don't think you have a tap wrench, so we're just gonna throw a tap in a socket. See how that takes us. That'll work.
So we got a problem, he
tap
tells me. Friggin' splits the tap in half.
That's what happens when you don't have a tap wrench. I mean, I have one, I just forgot it.
Alright, man, let's go to Home Depot. Alright, so we're looking for a tap and a tap handle that's reasonably priced.
Yeah.
That's the problem right now. Alright, in your hand now? Oh!
No.
He just takes it like a man! He ain't no bitch.
No bitch.
Alright, so this is down. Now let's start her up. Rev the shit out of her.
And then blow her up.
Blow her up!
Yeah.
Alright, so we just went to Tractor Supply to get the, what did we get there?
Tap handle.
The tap handle. And then we had to go to Home Depot because Tractor Supply didn't have a 3/8 tap, so we had to go to
Dumb as shit.
Home Depot to spend another $8 for the drill and the tap. Hammer her home, man. There you
Hammer
go.
her home.
Look at how that works, dude. Okay, so we're about to weld like hanger thing to the pipe. And we just took the flat disc, it was 80 grit, and just kind of smooth her home so it'll be easier to weld to a clean surface. So yeah, now we're gonna weld the hanger on and send her home, right, Mac?
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir. All right, let's get this on the road. Oh shit!
That's why. There's nothing to hold that. Do you have to? No.
Dude, is she good? We're getting there. Oh, we didn't really get anywhere.
All I did was weld that. Yeah, I didn't really weld anything to this. It's so hard. I'm trying to like balance it without knocking it off.
You're good.
Oh, I shut it off.
Damn it!
I shut it off because it was just sitting there.
Don't do this at home. Always wear a helmet. We're just trying to make it
That's
not
good enough
fall.
to stand there.
Alright,
Now I can.
we're good. Now we're putting on the helmet. Always wear a helmet. I'm closing my eyes. We blew a fuse! Shit! Fuck!
Space heater.
Space heater! The freaking welder! We got the lights going! Ah, damn it! There's a stupid space heater! Damn it! Stupid General Electric. They don't know what they're doing. Oh, jeez. Garage. Lights! Dude, call me an electrician. Alright, so we got this all done. This is on there snug, this exhaust thing. And then we're gonna weld this. It had a friggin' clamp on it. But it leaked crazy, so now we're just gonna weld it. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna do now. And that should be mint, at least this part of it.
Yeah. Mang's out here welding for the first time, you know. Making popcorn with a screen. Dude, he's going at it this time. What's Mang making? Look at them beads!
Well, he's alright. So that's my mean bead. Here's Mang's. Got Mang's, dude. That looks pretty good. We're getting welding down.
Blew a hole in it right there.
Yeah, right there. You see that rough spot?
We blew a hole.
We blew a hole right through the exhaust. We had to fix it up, but
Took a lot of filling.
the rest of it looks alright. Alright, guys. So we finished it. Mang just put it all back together. It was a good way to start 2017. So yeah, guys, in a few months we'll be cutting this thing up. Mang will be putting his wheels on. Oh, his wheels. Mang, I gotta show the people your wheels.